Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to insert the SIM in this device. So this is the brand new Moto G85 5G, you can see. Okay, so let me show you how to insert the SIM in this device. So at the bottom of the device here is the SIM tray, you can see, and the SIM ejecting tool you will get from the box itself. So here you can see one hole. We need to put the SIM ejecting tool inside this hole. Just put it, then press it. You can see that SIM tray is ejected. Now just pull the SIM tray. So you can see this is a SIM tray. Okay, and this is for the SIMs 1, slot 1, and this is for SIM 2 and the micro SD card. Okay, so we need to put the SIM in slot 1 or slot 2. So here I am going to put the SIM in slot 1. You need to put the SIM like this and just press it. Okay, now the SIM is secure in slot 1. You can move this also. You can see we can move the SIM tray. It is secure. Now we need to put the SIM tray back. Okay, just do like this and just press it. That's it. Now just wait for a few seconds. The device will detect the SIM. Just wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the device is detected by the SIM. So simply in this way you can insert the SIM in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.